Most people open their entire garage just to walk in. It's loud, wastes heat, and lets cold air rush inside. Today, we're installing a pass-through garage door that solves that problem. Pass-through doors are ideal for simple daily access, whether for storage, a mudroom, or general convenience. The installation begins by taking down the existing garage door. Each panel is removed one at a time, followed by the tracks and hardware. A clean frame ensures the new pass-through system aligns perfectly. The new pass-through door is unpacked and positioned. Each section is placed carefully so the door lines up correctly. These doors require precise alignment for smooth operation and a proper seal. With the panels in place, the spring system is installed. Springs, bearings, and the cables are added and adjusted. Spring tension is set manually on site based on door weight. This step is critical for safety and long-term performance. Weather stripping is applied around the frame to keep cold air, dust, and moisture out. Close alignment adjustments are made around the pass-through section to keep everything tight and clean. The opener is assembled, the rail is installed, and the motor is mounted. Wiring is completed and tested before final tightening. Every part is checked to ensure smooth, quiet operation. In the final steps, we install the keypad and test the safety cutoff switch. This ensures the pass-through and the main door work together properly and operate safely. The pass-through door is tested one last time. It opens quietly, seals evenly, and the pass-through operates smoothly. If you're thinking about upgrading your garage with a pass-through door, reach out to Solution Garage Doors. We'll help you decide if it's the right fit for your home. If you want a full breakdown of how a pass-through door works, including benefits and design options, check out our product overview video.